Hi, hello, my name is Twin. This is Capture Clicks. So, mag-unbox tayo ngayon. And this is the, ano to? Universal Mobile Phone Cage. And, dalawa, bonus na ngayon, dalawa ang unbox natin. Itong side handle with wireless control for cellphone. Dalawa tong i-unbox natin ngayon. So, pero parehong small rig na product. Nagano ako, recently kasi, gumawa ako ng video eh. I was supposed to make a video regarding isang setup ko. Yung current sa setup ko kasi, nabali siya. Nasira. It's dalawang phone handles na magkapatong. Eh, nabali siya recently. So, nag-decide akong bilhin na ako ng ah, itong metal enclosure cage. Meron akong cage for the iPad, pero right now I need a cage for the phone. Kailangan ko ng steel. Reasoning bakit feeling ko kailangan ko, it's mainly because nabali yung stand na ginagamit ko. And nakakainis lang na ganun nga yung nangyari. Um, it's frustrating kasi I was using it. Tapos nung pansin ko habang ginagamit ko, nakapapansin ko nagsusway na siya. As in, I found it disturbing na nagsisway siya. Kasi siya man na yung buko at may hangin na papunta sa mukha. So, sobrang init kasi. It's currently 31 degrees, close to 31.7 ngayon. It's kind of cooler than normal. Pero yun nga, it's very, very humid. And yun, medyo uncomfortable yung feeling. Yeah, pero yun, mag-unbox tayo nito kasi ayun nga, I really need it. Gagamitin ko yung isang secondary phone ko. For example, ito yung aking secondary phone. This is my Poco X3 Pro. X3 Pro. Itong phone na to. So, ito yung pinaka-nagiging main. Ito yung parang gamitin ko pag sample. Maganda kasi dito makapal yung kanyang housing. Pati-testing talaga natin kasi universal nga dapat ito. So, kahit anong size, dapat it should work. Yeah, ang gusto ko kasi dito, meron siya supposed to be parang lalagyan ng cold shoe. Dito, 4 na cold shoe yan. Tapos, yeah, I should be able to screw in dapat ito. Ito yung kanyang remote. And kung yung remote, natatanggal din siya so I can use it anywhere if I need it to be. Ayun. Yeah, so umpisahan na natin yung description dito. Sa ano na to? Sa case na to. So, sa front, small rig na brand, Universal Mobile Phone Cage, tapos yun yan. This is the cage. So, sorry kung hindi ko nakikita agad. Kamali ako sa pag-focus. Ayun. On these sides, walang nakalagay. Walang nakalagay dito. Naring ito. Pero nakaibay sa babaw, small rig, big dreams. So, ayun. I think a small rig kasi, I'm not so sure if they focused nang nag-start sila as for mobile. Pero yun nga, taking mobile videography very, very seriously at this point. Alam mo naman, mga bagong telepono ngayon, mga bagong gadgets ngayon. So talagang paganda na yung camera. Ayan. So, Universal Mobile Phone Cage. So, ano lagi dito? Number 1, Universal Mobile Phone Cage for vlogging, live streaming, mobile filmmaking, compatible with most phones in the market. A perfect mobile phone cage for handheld shooting which supports horizontal and vertical modes. Inbuilt rubber pads to absorb shocks to prevent your phone from scratching. It features 4 cold shoe mounts, 1/4 20 threaded holes to attach accessories like microphone LED light tripod. It comes to 2 cable ties for cable organization. Ayan. Ayan. So, yun yung nakalagay dito. Ayan. So, yun muna buksan natin bago tayo mag-open dito. Ito naman, pretty much just a box. Tapos, pero ganun din yung nakalagay. Small rig, big dreams. Tapos, nothing else. Much technical stuff na to. Tapos, picture lang. Parang naka-sticker lang yun. No? Pero yung small rig na logo, nakakaliw lang. Ganito rin yung lalagyan ng po for the quick release. Quick release na binili ko before. Ayan. Sige, umpisahan natin dito sa cage. Hindi na gano'n ka-sharp yung aking stencil pattern. Okay. Slide ba ito? Slide nga siya. And to reveal, and this is it. So, ang pagkakindito ko material to is light steel. Ano yun? Ito yung ano? Two-way cable tayo. Parang hindi ko siya napansin agad. Siguro dahil puti yung lalagyan. Hindi ko napansin agad. Pero yun, something sticky. And yun, this is yung cable tie. Sabi, dalawang cable ties to. And, yeah, dalawang cable ties. Yun. Although marami na akong nabiling Velcro. So, that's something. Ano yun? Allen wrench. There it is. Wait. Ayan. This is the cage and I like it. Bakal siya. And that really means a lot. Ito yung, so yan. This is yung phone. It's pretty big, ah. So, ito nga yung phone. Ayan, maluwag. Okay, so I can adjust it to any point na gusto ko, katulad ng ganyan, para napipindot ko rin yung button. Then, yeah, that means that helps a lot. Tapos, iti-tighten ko siya. And dahil meron siyang housing, I can put it safely anywhere I want. So, again. So, yan. Ganun yan. So, anong meron dito? These are mga screws. Ito, mga ito yung mga holes na ano to, 1/4 yata na holes dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, parang ganun ba yun? Hindi ako sure. Pero there's a lot of holes that I can, technically, pwede ko pa i-adjust siya. So, meron siyang, dito mo gagawin yung Allen wrench. Dito makikita yung Allen wrench. Yan. And, dyan, ibig sabihin, pwede mo siyang i-adjust itong mismong, this back plate na to. Pwede mo siya i-adjust ng konti to, right now, this is at the center. Pwede mo adjust to left to right. Kung kailanganin mo. But so far, this is working fine. So, itsura nito yung mga cold shoe. I think pwede ka magbigay ng accessories din dito. Yan, dito, and dito. Yan. So, ang daming attachments na po pwede. Tapos yung cold shoe mounts nga dyan. So, yeah. That's pretty good. By default kasi, dapat nahahawakan mo dito. Or, kung hindi, pero kung hinahawakan na parang grip. At the moment, ang binili ko lang muna isang grip lang. Itong grip na to. And yun yung unbox natin ngayon. So, I can move this to one side if I need it to be. Pero yeah. So sige, testing na. Unbox na natin yung yung isa. This one, itong remote. Tapos kakabit natin siya para makita na natin how it all works. So yan lang naman yata yung nakatape sa kanya. Other than that, wala na yata. Oy! Ingat, ingat, ingat. Yun nga, isa lang siya. And, merong isa pang Allen wrench. So, may Allen wrench dyan. And, dalawang nandito. This is yung kinakabit na grip. Yung kabitan ng grip. And, ito yung mismong handle. So, I can place the handle on this side or the other side. So, sige. Paano ba natin gagawin to? Parang camera, no? So, parang dito. Yung try natin. Yung try natin yung on that side. How do you do this? Allen wrench pa rin. Allen wrench. Okay, so, para ilalagay natin siya dito. Hindi ko pa alam gagawin ko. First time lang kasi ako nagaganito. I'm not familiar with how to use these things. Kasi this is literally my first ngayon, this is the first time I'm taking mobile videography a little more seriously. Ingat tayo sa baka mawala. I am taking it seriously naman before, pero dati kasi hindi ko iniisip talaga yung ganitong klaseng bagay. So, of course, once you learn more about something, then you realize that you do need something to improve yung work. And yeah, this is something I discovered along the way. Okay. So, dito siya. Ganyan. Tapos, I can adjust any way I want it to be. That. And, so yun. This one. Tapos sa grip. Ayan. So, that's it. That's the grip. That's how it is. Ay, ano rin pala siya. Meron din siyang cold shoe mount. That's cool, actually. Pero feeling ko kailangan ko iusog to. Kasi kailangan ko iusog konti para maano ko siya. Ma-adjust ko the way I want it. I think it's way too much on the other side. It's okay. Ito naman yata mukhang kahit anong position nito, pwede. Pero, how do we do this? May manual ba to? Tignan ko nga kung may manual to. Yeah. Yung manual to, so, paano siya kakabit. May mali na ba akong ginawa? How do I attach this thing? Based sa nakikita ko, mukhang tama naman ginagawa ko. It's just not, pretty, but it should work. Mali. Papalusutin ko muna to dito. Tapos, mag-adjust ako after. Yan, ganyan muna. There. Ganito na siya. That still work. So, paano natin tatapat. Okay, nasa na ang ayun, Allen wrench. Ang messy ng gawa ko. Sige, try natin yun. Ngayon, natin to. So, yan. That's pretty much it. That's, ganyan yung ano niya. I need one more para maano ko yung handle. But this is pretty good. Still to figure out paano siya mag-sync. Pero I need to give it a little more power muna. Mamamatay yung ilaw ko. So yeah, this is doing good. So pwede ko siya ilagay sa tripod dito. Yan. Actually, pwede ko rin nga ilagay yung handles dito. I can tighten it more para matibay siya. Yeah. I really do like it. It feels more sturdy. Dali tingnan natin if this works. Ito ba function yan? Oh, kung gusto ko i-tighten, I can use yung Allen wrench to tighten it. Kung itong part na to. So, pasok ko siya ganyan, tapos pitan. Nice. And it feels very more sturdy than earlier. No. That's cool. That's nice. Ayun. Ang isang kakailanganin ko kasi is maglalagay nga ako ng ano rito. So, this is something na I'm gonna expand. Ganyan. So, isang phone dito, tapos isang phone pa dito. Cool. Tapos pwede rin ako maglagay ng mic dito kung gusto ko. Or siguro yung phone nasa baba. Kasi this is actually I do really like this one. Ayan. Yeah. I do like this one. Wala pang power tong ano. USB powered siya. USB yung main power niya. So, hindi siya battery na ano. Natanggal ba to? I'm not so sure. Pero, ang gusto ko sa remote, at least I can use it kahit hindi siya nakakapit ng ganito. But that's a choice. That's an option. That's something that I can experiment with. Nice. Yan na, naaliw ako. Pwede pala dito, no? Pwede dito. Dito. Yung fold shoe. Yeah. Pwede dito yung fold shoe. Mas balance pa yung ganyan. I don't know. But it's interesting to use it this way. Yeah. Ayun. So, na-unbox na natin at na-testing natin and so far so good. So, ang ano nga natin is the universal mobile phone cage and itong side handle with wireless control for cellphone. Hindi ko pa testing itong wireless control kasi kailangan pa nga ng power so I can test that at the moment. But yung sturdiness nito, I really like it. Gusto ko siya. I think I just need to buy yung yung handle pa. Pero on its own, I'm really enjoying this one. I really do like it. Tingnan ko pa siguro kung anong pwede kong gawing alternative way to hold this. Tingnan ko how to adjust. Pero I like the idea na high adjustable to on yung preference mo. At the same time, ito rin. Pwede mo lipat dito, pwede mo lipat dito, pwede mo lipat dyan. So, kung gusto mong ganyan ng hawak or pag ganito ang hawak, vertical or horizontal, it works fine. Yun. So, that's my unboxing. Yeah. And I really can't wait to experiment on this and try things out. So, after opening up a universal mobile cage last night, ito yung aking
pinag-isipan or ano, as in pinag-isip ko talaga paano magiging setup ko. And this is something that I might use yung ganitong klaseng setup. Although the phones na nakakabit ngayon is not actually the phones na gagamitin ko. Pero at least it gives you an idea na kung anong plano kong mangyari. So, meron yung mic. Ito yung aking Comica na mic, wireless mic. Tapos, actually, pinag-iisipan ko baka pwedeng diretso na yung nakakabit eh. Yung, ano to, wireless mic na yan. Pero maganda kasi na ganyan siya. Kasi pwede ko nang hugutin or use it for somebody else or ilapit ko sa mismong magsasalita para nakasetup na siyang agad. Hindi ko kailangan magtanggal-tanggal ng wire. Pero laki kasi ng difference ng ng time eh. Pero on its own, sabi 7 hours daw to. 7 hours ang running time niyan. So, okay na rin. Pero pag wireless kasi, kailangan nakakabit yan ng ganyan. Pero kung wired yung diretso, 50 hours ang tatakbo. So, pero ang ano ko lang kasi, I might not have the time to set up yung pagpalit ng wire. Kasi usually, pag sinabing alis, kailangan ready to go agad. So, yung pinag-iisipan ko pa paano gagawin. So, baka ganyan lang siya. Habang 7 hours naman, 7 hours naman yung length niya, it might not be so bad na nakaganyan lang siya. Tapos, ito nga yung cage, yung Ulanzi cage, yung small rig. Ulanzi, iba pala yung Ulanzi. Ito yung cage. So, ito yung cage, it's made out of light steel, so matibay naman siya. It won't break. Yung last na ano ko kasi, hindi siya cage. Meron akong phone. Meron akong ganito rin, sa pang ganito. Pero ibang Ulanzi na parang it's a little older sa so it broke. So dahil nga light steel ito, the less chance of it breaking. Tapos so far matibay naman ito. Dahil light steel nga siya. Ito hindi ko pa testing itong ng headset. Gagamitin ko sa headset para papakinggan ko yung audio kung tama naman ang kinakalabasan. I haven't tested that yet. Hindi ko pa natatry. Kaya I might test that later on. Tapos, yun nga, isa pang phone and portable light. So, ito naman, portable light, 3 hours ang time niya. So, pinag-iisipan ko paano yung battery niyan. Although, I could use yung one of my power banks para ma-power up yan. Pero 3 hours is usually long that it, kasi kung sa gabi lang naman gagamitin. And that should be fine. Yung 3 hours na time niya. Pero pinag-iisipan ko pa kung if I'm gonna keep, if papalitan ko to dahil lately medyo nagloloko siya. Pero titingnan ko baka kasi kulang lang sa gamit. Baka naglo-loose wire lang siya. So titingnan ko kung maayos pa yan. Pero yan, so far, this is a really, really old tripod of mine. From what I remember, high school pa ako nito. Kung hindi high school, before college, I think. Ayan. So, yan, so far setup ko. Ito nga yung bala ko gamitin so far. Pero because of that, I really have to rethink paano ko magpapack ng gamit to be ready for the day. Pero yeah, I'm really, really liking yung setup so far and looks very efficient for me. I think sabi ng wife ko, it looks very professional yung dating, even though mobile telepono yung gamit. Yeah, I'm understanding more of mobile videography and photography lately. So, yun. So, ang trabaho nga nito is to take videos, habang trabaho nito is to take photos. So, yun yung, that's my plan. Pero at the same time, pwede ko rin gawin na parehong dalawang to nagbe-video. Yung isa is naka-zoom, yung isa naka-wide shot. So, basically primary ko magiging ito for video. Titignan ko pa kasi kung makapag-upgrade ako ng phone. I still have to see if that will happen. Kasi right now, meron ako tatlo yung phone ko. Pero yung isa, tulad nito, is really not designed for video or photography. Actually, trabaho ko lang dapat dito is for audio lang eh. Lalo na kung ano, meron mga certain situations na malayo. Although, since ano na to, medyo pinag-iisipan ko pa to na kung ikikip ko pa to. It's really, ano naman eh, this is really for backup lang. Yung ginagamit ko ngayon, yung ginagamit ko ngayon pang video nito, ito yung pinaka main phone ko. Ito yung pinakamaliwanag so far. So I might consider this as the main for photography, habang ito naman is yung main for video. Pero yun. Yeah. I am excited. Looking forward to using this. Pero yeah, I have to reorganize my stuff para magamit ko siya na maayos. Ayun. Anyway, so that's my video. Tiningan ako. And bye-bye.